Hello, welcome back again. In this video, we are going to find out few interesting words what we can use in place of boy. So every time you use boy or guy becomes very boring. So let's have few very interesting words which you can replace and you can sound more interesting. So let's find it out. You can say fella or fellow, which means simply boy. You can say chap, lad, beau. Beau is a beautiful boy. It has French origin, like this word comes from French. And then guy, you already know. You can use laddie, kiddie, tot. These are really for a small kid, but a male kid. So again, these words can be used instead of boy. Then you can also hear in movies or in writings, people used hey junior, how are you, hey kid, or hey son. It doesn't mean that every time the father is calling somebody hey son. No, sometimes you find that there are children playing in the playground and a person comes and say hey son, can you come here? So these terms can be used and can be can replace boy, the word boy. So instead of boy, you can use all these words. Once again, just for the pronunciation sake, you should have better pronunciation of these words. So the first one is fella or fellow, then we have chap, and then lad, beau, guy, laddie, kiddie, tot, junior, kid, son. Alright, thank you for watching.